Hey everyone, I've just come home from work and found this conspicuous looking parcel on my front doorstep. I just did a unboxing video and then realised that my camera was poised too low, so basically all you saw was the bottom half of my hand. It was great, you should have seen it, it was wonderful. Anyway, I've decided to do it again and actually get the whole products onto the camera this time so you can see what awesome new products they are. Just as a bit of introduction, this is the pre-release from the new 2018-2019 annual catalogue. It's the Share What You Love pre-release, and I got the middle bundle, so that was the a little bit more bundle. So it wasn't quite everything, but it was the main bits that I think I can probably use and show fairly easily. So I'll just bring them out one by one. As I say, I've already been through them, so the element of surprise is gone. But what the hey, we'll give it another go. So here we have the Make a Difference polymer stamp set with all the letters, numbers, little handcrafted stamps here, so you can make those special homemade goods look very professional for school fetes and markets and things like that. There's a bit of a look at the letters there, that's slightly upside down, sort of the size of those. They're about, what would they be, about 1 centimetre, maybe a little bit more high, the larger ones there. And we have the Love What You Do stamp set, which has the wonderful watercolour, some cute flowers and sentiments. So that's really cute as well. I'm sure I can get some use out of that this weekend. We have the velvet ribbon. That's a glorious colour, that one. That will go really well with Mother's Day coming up even. That's a particularly mothery looking colour. And here's the pearlised doilies. They sort of, I don't know if you can pick it in the light, but they sort of have a bit of a glimmer to them. So they're beautiful. So with some flowers set on the front of those, or that's great, just peeking out. We've got the pearls, wonderful colours there, some pinks and sort of a teal, all the new colours from the new catalogue. We have, this is what I've been looking forward to, this is the new stamp pad. This is the Grapefruit Grove, the new colour. You can see the difference there with the stamp set, the stamp pad. It's actually smaller, more streamlined, and you compare it to, say, our current stamp pads. They're sort of shorter and thinner, but I'm told they have the same amount of ink in them with a special defoaming substance, and they stack on top of each other, which is great. I'm just also told they fit into our colour caddies, so that's yet to be seen. We've got the Share What You Love cardstock, and there's what, 4 or 5 colours in there, ranging from the deep grape through to a beautiful teal. We've got, this is the embellishments. I've already taken the plastic off that during my incredible first video that I couldn't use. Got some twine and some thread, some paper, little decorative paper clips, and some lovely metal embellishments, plus some pre-cut tags. So they're going to be great as well. I'm sure I can get some use of those this weekend. And the free items that I got with this particular pack are the Very Vanilla envelopes, really cool, and the Very Vanilla cardstock, which is, as we know, always a handy thing to have plenty of. So that's it. There was a whole lot of other stuff there from a general order for other customers in there, but that was fundamentally what I got from the Share What You Love. Everyone remember that this pre-release goes on general customer sale from the 1st of May, which is coming up, and then they'll be available as part of the catalogue from the 1st of June. If you'd like to know any details about any of these products and to order, just reach out. Lots of links attached to this video, and it's great. I'm happy to help you with anything Stampin' Up related, and thanks for watching.